Try to excuse the extra white tint to my face because my sunscreen is still absorbing. I'm going to take a few minutes before I head down to the beach, show you all the kind of organized things I always bring or pack as a large family to make our hotel room just like a little bit neater and not so chaotic. Anytime we're going on a vacation like this, I always bring kind of an extra line. This one has clips on both sides because this is all they provide, and when we have such a large family, there's not enough space to dry everyone's suits, shirts, whatever. Hooked it to the chair here, as you can see, and you can just kind of stretch this out however you want to make it a little more taut. And I have like my workout gear drying there because I have to reuse it, shirts, all that stuff. Bathing suits are there, and I also bring S-hooks so that way you can hang up a lot more stuff and it just dries quicker. Okay, this isn't an organization thing, but I want to show you these come in a really, really small format, like from Amazon, and they're really easy to pack, and then you blow them up and they're just like pool floaties, and you can sit in them like this in a chair or lounge on them. They're really great. And I actually don't bother organizing our drawers when we're here because you never know what kind of drawer you're gonna get. These ones are super shallow, so I did bring drawer organizers like this for other stuff, but they wouldn't be able to fit in here. If you do want this very organized, you could just use the packing cubes that you packed your clothes in and just open them up and kind of flip the bottom open so they kind of act like soft drawer organizers. All the stuff we don't need, like our extra bags, packing cubes, all that stuff, we kind of nested into each other, and they're stored under there. Bring these pop-up drawer organizers. These are the Skubb ones from IKEA, and there's a zipper on the bottom and they fold down flat. So this way it helps keep our counters really clear. So this one is for like sunscreen and stuff. That one is for used socks because we have to reuse. And I do always try to designate an area for like, okay, not clean enough to go back in the drawer, but you know, we can still wear them again clothes. Okay, this also is not, this is not anything organization, but we have so much fun with this. These are Pop Darts. They're really light and easy to pack. And I had ordered a set for Hanukkah for my kids, and they love them. And the nephews all the cousins played with them all the time. So I ordered a second set. I'll try and show a video on that later. But anyway, these are really fun. To the bathroom, again, I have these pop-up drawer organizers here, and they kind of hold our stuff. So they do help keep our counters relatively clean. So like this one is basically just mine, and then we have toothbrushes and all that stuff there. Underneath, I do try to pack things that are relatively clear. So I did bring this longer pop-up drawer organizer so I can have our pouches here so we can get to everything really easily. I think one of the things we really need to remember when we're on vacation is that it doesn't need to be perfect. You just don't want to feel like overwhelmed when you come back to your hotel room and you want them to be able to clean properly. That's kind of the reason that I have this organization, but it doesn't have to be like too much. Also, always bring a pump hand soap because I do not enjoy these bar soaps. I find them really slimy and just not fun. And my kids just don't wash their hands as well with them. I also keep like a kind of little almost emergency kit, like yes, band-aids, all that kind of stuff. But then I also have dish soap here because I've washed out our water bottles. I have some laundry detergent sheets that I could use in the sink. If I have our straw brush here because we've gotten sand in many and a walla. S-hooks here, this is for like my face cloth, and I had brought like an extra little cloth to wash out water bottles. I think one of the things that really helps us too is we limit the shoes that we are bringing. I know it's hard, but most of my family just has like a pair of running shoes and a pair of like Crocs or sandals. I have a little bit more. I have my flip-flops, and then I actually have those shoes, and then I have like fancier sandals that are flat, and then I have heels. So whatever, I'm allowed. And I always bring a laundry bag that's accessible for everyone. That one might be on its last legs. Up top is really not super accessible, so we have all of like our sweatshirts or like other stuff there that we'll probably just need for the plane ride back. I'm sure there's more stuff that I do that I don't even think of, but I want to go to the beach, so let me know in the comments if there's anything else you like to do to make sure your hotel rooms, your vacations, your family trips are always nice and organized.